LED light Q16. This is Auxito LED light. Comes with installation gloves, manual, and the actual bulb. Alright. I would assume this is just a plug and play thing. Alright, so I'm just gonna install that right now. My gloves on. Before that, I'm gonna show you guys what kind of headlight I have. My headlight bulb is also an LED, but just want to see if this one is actually nicer, better. So I'm gonna try it on. Let's go. Here we got an R51 2008 Pathfinder, same generation from 2005 I believe through 2012. So if you're dealing with the headlight bulb, if you want to replace it, this is very accessible here, lots of room. However, on the other side you have a battery here and it's just right there, that aluminum looking color, that's an LED as well. So what you can do, loosen that up, and then push it that way. Then you'll have a little bit of room there. Otherwise, you'll have to remove the battery for that side. So I'm just gonna show you how to remove this side, and it will be the same on the other side. So this looks like the connector for the LED. Alright. With that being said, push this button here and pull. Alright. And then there goes the LED. Pop right off right away. So I don't think this is the right or proper size for it. So looks like you just taped it up. Look, it's all taped up. It's actually foreign brand. Now oh, hi. Alright, so since that one was an LED too, so they had to improvise and modify. So this is the adapter holder that holds the bulb. So they did cut it so they can get that aftermarket one in. So I'm gonna use this for the Auxito LED bulb. So here's the bulb, and just gonna slowly insert it in, nice and straight. Push it in, and I'm gonna use this to hold it, secure it, just like that. Easy and simple here, lots of room here. And then the last thing to do is just plug it in. Just like that. So that's complete. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm not gonna show you guys how to do that. It's very similar to this side, just that there's less room over there. In the meantime, I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Alright guys, it's on. Plug in like that, nothing complicated. No funny stuff like the other one. The far end. This is the far end right here. So it's got a heat fan dissipator at the back. Therefore they had to do some modification with the retainer cap. So that's not a good thing. I mean, it's nice and bright, but I will compare it to the Auxito that I have. The Auxito, alright. The other side is also installed here. Just like that. Nice and simple. Easy and simple to install. Alright, so there it is. I mean, my lamp is a bit hazy. Not as crystal clear as this one, but we'll see how it goes in at night. I'll show you guys how it looks like at night. Alright.